What's up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you again. It is Monday. Mondays are fun, aren't they? I bet you guys all look forward to Mondays after, Saturday and Sunday being a down day in the overall market. And, well, U.S. stock market. Cryptos are popping off this weekend. I'm sure you guys saw and girls saw some of that action going on. Anyway, so today I'm just going to go over what I traded. I traded Tesla twice, just scalped Tesla. One was on my Webull account, and the other was on my interactive brokers account. And what I was looking at, and the reason why I traded Tesla was because it was popping off in pre-market. So I marked in pre-market the pre-market high and low, which actually I kind of jacked it up. Actually, this was my first support from pre-market. I was watching it closely, like I said. I saw Tesla was moving. So once it finally broke above this pre-market high around the 702.58, I thought possibly that could be support. And then I drew another support line at the low of the day. You can see here at 698.20 area. So in that area. So what I was looking at and I wanted to wait until the market opened up. So when the market opened up, one second. So yeah, when the market opened up, I was going to give it a few minutes before I got in. I always do. So my first buy was on my Webull account. You can see here. I saw, and these are $750 strike contracts. So I went way far out of the money, super duper far, because I've traded Tesla so many times. I know that even the out of the money contracts can make you money as long as you pick the right direction. So in this case, I knew that, and you can see it here. You can't see it good because the volume bar is in there. So it bounced off of one of my support lines. This would be the major support from pre-market. You can see here 698.28. It got to 698.44, bounced there. So my first buy-in was at 934. And so 934 would be right here. So I got in around in this area. I saw Tesla tested the 9 EMA. So I got in, and I got in at $6.10, which would be $610. And I sold there at 937. So 937 would be here. I want to say it was in this area. Actually, you know what it was? I saw Tesla, and I remember now. I saw Tesla was moving up nicely, and I was already up a good percentage. Bear in mind, it's only one contract, but I know that if Tesla were to flush, and I could see SPY and the Qs weren't really looking that good. So on my other monitor. So I was just strictly going off of Tesla. I wasn't, I was assuming that Tesla would keep going because it was looking really strong and looking really bullish. So I got out. I saw this big green candle, and on level 2 I can see that there was a huge wall. I can't, I wasn't recording earlier, but there was a pretty massive wall. So I was like, you know what? I'm up. So I'm going to go ahead and take my profit. You can see I made a whopping $65. $65 isn't bad. This is my small account, and that can $65. Like, it's the small and steady gains that really will help you win the race. Like I said in my last video, I'm not looking for a grand slam. I'm not even looking for a home run. I'm just looking to get to first base, and that's just what my methodology is, and what I'm looking at. So the reason why I got out, like I said, was because I was already up a decent amount, and I just wanted to exit because I could see a huge wall on level 2. So I played Tesla again, and this was on my interactive brokers account, and I got into the same 750 calls, and I got into those at 949. So 949 would be right here. So I saw, and I knew that there was potentially a bounce play if Tesla could hold the 21 EMA. So you can see it tested here, the 21 EMA right here. There's this huge wick on the bottom, and I didn't get in yet. I wanted to wait and see. if it would see if it would bounce off of 21 and then get above the 9 EMA, which is this green line. And it did. So I got in at 949, and I can't remember what price I was at here. I can't even look at it right now. Anyway, I want to say I made another 75 bucks, and I sold at 1002. So I got in at 949 at this bounce. Okay, and then I sold at 1002, which would be right here. And this is 1002. I saw this bearish, I saw these sell candles, and I knew that this possibly could have been some kind of a bear trap or what have you, but it didn't matter. I was up again. I was up like $75, the same thing. That's all I was looking for. And so I went ahead and said, you know what, I'm out of here. I'm going to take my profit and run. And because I know personally, me, like the things that get me typically is when I'm up on a position and I'm expecting a bigger move, and that bigger move does not come, and it turns into a bigger loss. So over the past few weeks, I've been really working on just taking my small gains and running. Now, keep in mind, had I played more than one contract, which I could have on this account, on this account, I could have played 2 contracts. On my Interactive Brokers account, I could have played several contracts, right? So had I played additional contracts, that 65 would have been 130, and so on and so forth. So once my account gets a little bit bigger, then maybe I'll start looking at taking some bigger position. My small account, that is. Once my small account is a little bit bigger, maybe I will start looking for a bigger position size. But for now, I think I'm just going to continue this route, and just see how it works out. Just taking my small gains and just disappearing, saying later, see you next time. So that's basically all I played today. I could play more, but I don't really want to. It's now 147, and the volume will die, and it's just unfun. It's unfun to play when the volume's dying. There could be those famous, you can see SPY now. SPY is red. The Qs are, SPY is super duper red. Look what SPY did earlier. Huge. That's the rug pull I talk about all the time. That's not fun. And the Qs were looking a little bit better, but you can see they're just going sideways, right? So I just called it today and said, tomorrow's a new day. Let's go. If I can make $200 tomorrow between both accounts, cool. If not, so be it. I still will not be looking for any grand slams or home runs. I'm just scalping. That's what scalpers do. We just scalp the position. We want to get in, we want to get out, and all that good fun stuff. So you can probably hear that storm. Actually, my power's already gone out once today. So I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up now and call it a day. But just like any other day, if you guys and girls have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If there's anything you want me to talk about, just let me know. And don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications if you want to keep seeing all my videos I'm posting. Like I said last week, or my last video, I am going to, I don't know if I'll be able to do it every day this week, but starting next Tuesday, I should be able to give you a new video every day, going over my trades and helping you all with any other questions you might have. So until then, we'll see you next time. Have a good day.